In today's world, where religion is often misused or ignored, we rarely see spirituality and public leadership walk hand in hand. But centuries ago, in a village of Kerala, Mamburam, there lived a man who redefined both, not through politics or power, but through public leadership, values, honesty, and others. This is the story of Sayyid Alavi Thangal, the man we know as Mamburam Thangal, a spiritual rebel whose values are more important today than ever. Born in Yemen in 1752, Thangal arrived in Kerala during a period of great unrest. The British East India Company was tightening its grip on the land. Ordinary people, especially Muslim peasants in Malabar, were facing oppression, poverty and fear under the hands of the British. But Mamburam Thangal was different. He didn't come to seek power. Instead, he came to offer his guidance. His deep religious knowledge, noble lineage and compassionate leadership quickly made him a wholly respected figure, not just among the Muslims, but across all communities. Mamburam Thangal's rebellion was not loud or violent. It was ethical, spiritual, and deeply human. He provided shelter to freedom fighters. He preached for unity where others sought for division. And he created a space where people, regardless of their religion, could find hope, justice, and peace. In today's world, we might call him a fifth-based activist, someone who used his belief not to control, but to empower people and to shape a society deeply rooted in peace. Why are we talking about this today? Because our modern world is facing a moral crisis. We see leaders without values. We see the youth searching for meaning and right direction. Mamburam Thangal's life answers all these questions. He teaches us that spirituality isn't about isolation, it is about action. To the youth watching this, Thangal's legacy is your inheritance. His story is not just history, it's a blueprint. You can be spiritually and socially aware. You can be rooted in values, yet active in society. You can be rebels, not with words, but with wisdom. Mamburam Thangal Maqam stands in Kerala. But more important than the building is the message that he left behind. A message of unity, of justice, of a hope rooted in the beliefs of Islam.